You are standing in a room measuring 2 meters and 9 centimeters wide, by 3 meters and 7 centimeters deep, and 2 meters and 78 centimeters in height. My voice travels through the air as waves of sound. The room is full of air molecules. 78% of these are nitrogen, and the remaining 22% are mainly oxygen. They are all shaped like very tiny dumbbells, and they are moving uncontrollably with the speed of 1,000 miles or 600 kilometers per hour. Together, they weigh just about 1,000 kilos. Your eardrums are exposed, your body exposed in a state of perfect balance, a thin membrane in a perfect surface as undisturbed water. You can hear these words, a disembodied voice. Nonetheless, the words occupy a specific place. White, narrow, red, blue, light,